Hi everyone, my name is Mohammad Kardan. In this video I'm going to talking about how did I make this window and how it opens like that, and how did I make it with cluster, because this window has a handle on it and it's used for here and here, and even in our bathroom. As you see, it's working like this. Okay, so let's open Maya. This is Maya. Okay, so this is the window. The modeling process is so simple. My height for this ceiling was 2.5 meters. So as you see, it's 2.5 meters, 2 meters wide, and I did 5 meter widths. Okay, so I UV it and I separated in two texture sets. One is for metal and another for glass. As you see in here, one is for glass and one is for the metal. And you can always change it, for example, make it gold like that. Okay, so after I model it, I did a chamfer on it a little bit, because without it it's looking so sharp, and with bevel it looks better. Then I imported in here and look like this. Let me do it in here and snap it, move it like that and like that. Okay, so but in here we have a little bit difference, because as you see, our glass has a box collision, and when we go into the box collision of this, I mean this line in here, this line, this is our box collision. When we enter to this box collision, we can open it or close it. In here, when I enter EE, it's not working, but when I go to box collision, enter E, it opens. Okay, so and before I do the model, before I do the coding for this part, I did a cluster, because I thought that maybe that's a good idea for using this handle that was for our dresser to use it for this for here. I put the handle in here and in the back. So let's go to the asset setup. This is our asset setup. Let it open. So here we are. This is my window. As you see, it was like this or like this, doesn't matter. Okay, as you see, I just imported my window like that, and I added, let me do it to show you. So first of all, this is our window. I put my window in here and said, okay, where is the handle? The handle is in here. I put it in here like that, snap it, okay, then did a copy and rotate. Then I select first of all the window, because the pivot point is on the bottom, but if I select the handle, the pivot point after we make it and we cluster it, the pivot point becoming here. I selected this part, then the handle, and then this handle. Then go to actor and merge. Go to my assets, and I select this one, window cluster, and save it. After we save it, we can have it like this, window cluster. Okay, and then I right click and set blueprint and enter actor, then name it to window cluster prefab. Then this is my window, as you see, window cluster, and this is my box collision. Okay, so then we go to here. I searched on YouTube how to open a door and all of that stuff, and I see these notes to write, and as you see, it's when we enter in the class in the box collision our character, and if we enter E, it goes in here. If our door isn't open, it asks like, is that a window open? No, it's not, so it's not, false. This node gonna compile and go in here, and I selected the window cluster, and I said that okay, from 0 position go to this position, because as you were watching in our window a little bit goes behind, then go to the left. It wasn't just going to the left, because I thought that okay, if it was like this and this window wanted to open like that, look at it, they are on each other, and it's not rational. So I played with it, and first of all I did a -6 movement for going back. Then I said after this done, again go 1.5 meters on the left, like that. So it's 2-part moving, as you see. Did you see that? So the coding is 2-part moving. Again, for the closing part, that's the same. You can search it on YouTube, for example, how open door in UE4 or 5, and it has a lot of videos, and see them and use them. Okay, so after that I've done this script, I saved it, and this is the result, as you see. Let me open it and save. Look at it, first it goes back, then go to the left. Again, when we coming in here, goes to the same position and then go into front, and it looks so fancy. So then I copied for our first floor. This is our second floor. Our first floor is 3 meters, and I just scaled our window a little bit. As you see, we have a scale here. I just scale it like, okay, yeah. and for this prefab I will use the scaling again, and as you see there is no difference when we are moving. It works the best. Okay, so and for our bathroom I said that why not, it's looking more better rather having nothing in here. You see it's not so feeling good, but with the door it's feeling more better. Yeah, that's it. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it and have some fun. And yeah.